request Bright Starwell, Marbanyang MLA to take the floor.
At the very outset, I would like to thank the Deputy Speaker for allowing me to participate in the budget discussion. Though due to paucity of time, I'll try to be as brief as possible. Though there are many issues that we would like to take up and discuss with regard to the budget presented by the Honorable Chief Minister, I would like to point out some of the issues that I would like to highlight. First and foremost, with regard to the Health Department, I will request the government of the day to kindly look into the improvement of infrastructure and at the same time manpower. Because when you look at in my constituency, we have one of the oldest state dispensary in the state, but unfortunately till date, this state dispensary is being run from a rented house. And I do hope that the government will take the matter seriously, and in a few years, I hope that we'll have a permanent state dispensary within Mawlai. And I would also like the Health Department to upgrade infrastructure, especially by having CT scan as well as X-ray machines in CHC and PHC within my constituency. Coming to social welfare, recently it was in the news in one of the children home being run by the government at Tura, where children who are staying in these children home, they have not been provided with the basic necessity like food. And at the same time, recently there was one suicide case at one shelter home at Mau Diang Diang. So I would like the department concerned to look into this concern. And then coming to PWD department, going by the budget presentation, I have not seen that the government is have any intention to come up with flyovers within Shillong. I don't know, I'm not an expert in this matter, but I do feel that there are certain locations within the city where flyovers can be built. And I do request the department concerned to look into this matter. And at the same time, to construct foot over bridges in many locations within the city. And then I would also like to highlight some of the important points as far as the PHE department is concerned. Like for example, we have the Greater Shillong Water Supply Scheme. In fact, the Honorable Chief Minister, during his presentation, he had informed the House that the government is intended to come up with a new scheme as far as the water supply scheme is concerned, especially with New Shillong, where he has earmarked more than 1,000 crores. But I would like to reflect upon the Greater Shillong Water Supply Scheme, Phase 3, which the government had launched since 2008. It has took almost 16 years for the government, and till date, we are yet to see the completion of this scheme. So therefore, this is very important, and especially in my constituency, Mawlai, where there is water scarcity. And I do hope that if this scheme is being taken seriously and try to complete as early as possible, it will be a relief to all the residents of Shillong. And I would also like to highlight, in fact, on that, in one of these days, one of these sessions, the honorable member from Umsning had taken up a resolution with regards to the implementation of Jal Jeevan Mission. As we are all aware that Jal Jeevan Mission is a mega project or a mega scheme that has been launched by the government of India, where the government of India has earmarked almost 3,60,000 crores. But then, when you look at the implementation of the...
Member, please try to wind up.
Yes, sir. Jal Jeevan scheme, it has been snail pace, especially when it comes to my constituency. And I really took a strong exception because the PHE minister on that day, while replying to the resolution and to some of the issues that has been brought by the honorable member, where he said that me as local MLA have been sidelined by the PHE minister, where he said that I have not come forward. But in fact, I would like to inform and take this opportunity that as a local MLA, I was very much concerned with regards to the proper implementation of the Jal Jeevan Mission within the state, and I have went on the on-the-spot inspection of the implementation of this scheme within my constituency on 1st of October, where the department concerned have submitted the report. And sad to say that on this report, many of these projects under Jal Jeevan Mission in Mawlai, the progress of work as of 1st of October, it is still zero progress. That is the reality. Unfortunately, when the PHE minister called for a meeting through his...
Kindly wind up.
He had sent a notice on the 27th of October, where the honorable minister had desires to hold a meeting on the 1st of October in his office to discuss matter relating to water supply issues in Mawlai. I was left out. I was left out of this meeting, though I was the one asking PHE officials to convene for a meeting of all stakeholders. So therefore, though I have so many to say, but because of paucity of time, I would like to resume my seat and do hope that the government henceforth will take all MLAs, local representatives into consideration while dealing with any schemes within the constituency. Thank you.
Thank you.
Citizen first is our motto. We believe that our citizens need to be connected with government for faster and efficient service delivery. I'm happy to announce that we are coming up with a dedicated CM helpline call center